Before we get started, please take a moment to click that thumbs up. It really helps. Thank you. Okay, I'm on simpleswap.io. I decided to do another video on it because the look of it has changed, although the basics of it have not. And basically, you've got on the left here, you select the coin that you want to send. You put the amount of that coin that you're going to send. So in this case, it's set up for sending 10 Litecoin. If you wanted to change that, you simply click the down button and it gives you a list of all of the different coins that you can choose from, and you pick the one that you want. And then over here you would select the coin that you want to receive. In this case, I've got Theta selected, and it will tell you that for 10 Litecoin you can get 284.6 Theta. And then here you would put in the address of your Theta wallet that you want those Theta sent to. And once you have filled out the coin that you're going to send, the coin that you want to receive, and put in your address of your wallet, you would scroll down and you would click on exchange. So after you clicked the exchange button, it takes you to this screen where it shows your progress going across the top here. The first stage is waiting for you to send your Litecoin to the wallet that it's going to give you, and it's giving you the information here to know what it's expecting and what you're going to receive. And then if you scroll down, it shows you the address that you should send the Litecoin to, and it shows you on the right here the address where your Theta is going to go. So you want to check that stuff and then send your Litecoin, and they give you a QR code there so that if you're using a mobile wallet for your Litecoin, you could just scan that QR code to get that address, and then it will start the process. And I haven't used it in a while, but it generally can take anywhere from 10 minutes to up to 30 minutes depending on what you're sending and so forth. But it basically starts looping, waiting to receive the coins that you're going to send. Just a note, up until you actually send your Litecoin, you are not committed to going through with this transaction. It'll time out eventually if you never send the Litecoin. Well, that's a wrap for this presentation, so cue the music. If you enjoyed the video, then hit that thumbs up for me, and I'll see you in the next video.